think they may have done it. I think they may have made the perfect car even better.
Just when you think it can't be.
Hey everybody, welcome to Xtreme Xperience. My name is Josh. I am from Pennsylvania. I'm one of the chief instructors here. I got my best friend and lead instructor, Fred Fox, and we have our beautiful Porsche 911 992 GT3 here with us. Before we start talking about this car, we want to go back in time where we started from, at least where I did. When I joined in 2017, we had the 991s. I thought I'd found the perfect car. Nothing could get better. And then all of a sudden we had the 991.2 GT3 RS. And on my outlap, I realized, oh my God, how could it possibly be this much better when I'm not even going very fast? And that car changed my life. So, wow, we're gonna see just how far they have come with the 992. We're gonna take a couple laps around this beautiful track podium club in Arizona, and I will let my encyclopedia of Porsche knowledge here let you guys know exactly what is different about this car.
Thank you so much for the info, Josh. One of the best new parts of this car is that beautiful new front suspension, completely redesigned for this chassis. It's going to make that car just feel so good, so planted, and so much in control. We get a little bit of a reworked engine, really wonderful power, excellent noise. You're going to see a drivability that Porsche has not had yet, and we're going to continue to be so happy with this product. I can't wait for you to see how this feels.
And we will go see what this thing's made of. What do you say?
Let's do it.
All right. Reminded by the sound that I have grown to love, and as I said, I didn't think the GT3 RS could get any better, but with all the aerodynamics they've added to this, I think this might already be a little bit better.
You're absolutely right. That's a sound of motorsport victory right there.
And we got a nice set of S's here at the podium club. And we'll head on down towards our back straight. Turn in feels nice. Let's wind up this engine, see what she's got. And all this speed isn't very good without some brakes. And luckily it's got some of the finest here.
I think I dare say we were a little faster in this in that back section there.
Like I said, there's nothing wrong with the previous iteration, but this thing is very crisp. I think the other one was maybe a little too stiff for its own good.
I agree.
This does inspire quite a bit of confidence. So let's take it on to the front straight.
Have fun, baby.
And make some noise. And away we go. Miles an hour, nothing wrong with that.
Outstanding.
And we'll head into our hairpin corner here.
Oh, that turn in, so good.
Plenty of grip all around. And let's head back towards these S's. See if we can hunt some of these fancy cars down.
I can't get
for those who haven't driven with us before, you'll see these orange and green cones. That's how we guide you around the track. Fred will demonstrate what that instruction looks like too.
To the green. Let's roll on that throttle over to the orange, sir. Lift, a little bit of brake, orange, then over to green. Following through, looking at that green cone, nicely done. Coming over to your side, back to that green. Keeping those eyes up, looking at the yellow. 3, 2, 1, and lift. Give me a nice touch of brake. Orange, over to green, just like you're doing so wonderfully.
And we'll get a pass here around the next bend.
And roll on that throttle. Some brakes. Red, orange, green, back out to orange, back into green. So we saw that wave, we're going to get a pass here.
All right, we'll let them get a little bit ahead of us. We'll wait for our hand signal.
There you go, you're going to go on that side. Those brakes nice and firm. Very, very nice. Orange cone on my side, green cone on your side. Absolutely beautiful. Roll right on that power stir.
I think they may have done it. I think they may have made the perfect car even better.
Just when you think it can't be. Race ahead, baby. Roll on that power for me.
All right. And we're going to be finishing up our third lap here. Overall, I would say, even after just a few laps, it feels very comfortable and confidence-inspiring. I'm sure that after we get countless laps under our belt, we'll love this even more. Thank you for all your information, Fred. Thanks, everybody, for watching.